Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. And in today's video we'll be doing some really cool Photoshop edit. We'll be doing the Iron Man HUD effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So this is our subject and we'll be converting this image into a really cool an Iron Man HUD effect. So first of all we need to only select the image, so we'll just crop it and we need only the face, and let's just click on the tick mark. And after that we need to fix the lighting of the image. It just doesn't really look that good. It doesn't match with the black background. So we'll go to image adjustments and we'll get onto curves. And now you can just play around in this until you actually get your selected lighting of the image. For me this looks pretty good, and let me just do that a bit, and I'll just try out all the available options over here. And yeah, that's look good, so I'll click on OK. And after this I'll go to image again and I'll go to adjustments. I'll go to brightness and contrast, and over here also you have to check what suits your image the best. For me I'll go with this one right here, and for contrast 100 doesn't look that good, so I'll stick with 34. So that's good, and we'll click on OK. And after this we'll click on image again and we'll click on auto tone, and click on image again, we'll click on auto contrast, and click on image again and click on auto color. That's done. Now this was the first step and it's totally done. So we'll just right click on the image, we'll click on convert to smart object, and then we'll right click again, we'll click on rasterize layer. That's really important for the next steps. So now let's get on to the main part of the robotic effect on the face. So it will actually make your image look so good. So we'll just go on to file and I'll click on place embedded and take the 10th image, the image with the number 10. I'll just put that in the project, click on place, and then you have to just align the image so that it perfectly suits your subject image. So that's good for me. I'll click on the tick mark and I'll change the blending mode from normal to screen. So, and that's good, and we'll click on file again and click on place embedded and click on 5, click on the image with the number 5 and click on place and align it again, and click on the tick. That's also done. Change the blending mode from normal to screen, and then click on place embedded, click on the number 4, click on place and align the image, and that suits for me. And we click on the tick mark and then change the blending mode from normal to screen. Then click on file, place embedded, image number 1, click on place. Change the alignment of the image. That suits for me, and click on the tick mark, normal, blending mode from normal to screen. That's so good. Then click on file, place embedded, image number 2, place, align the image again and click on the blue tick mark. Then change the blending mode from normal to screen. That's good. Then we click on file again and go to place embedded, and we'll take image number 3, place. Then I'll just align the image a bit because I don't want that black background in the between, so I just align a bit. That suits for me a bit. Yep. Then I'll click on the tick and blending mode from normal to screen. Then click on file again, image number 7. I just take that real quick and click on place. Then this we have to actually put it on the eye. So first of all, we just change the blending mode from normal to screen and align it with the eye. So I'll just align it a bit, and that suits for me. So I'll just click on the tick, and that's done. Now click on file again, click on place embedded, take the image number 8, then click on place, and then again we'll change the blending mode to screen, because we need to put it on the eye. So we'll place it on the eyeball, and that's good. Then click on the tick, and then this is the last one. So we'll click on file, click on place embedded, click on 9 and place. This also will first of all just change the blending mode from normal to screen, align it with the eyeball, and then click on the tick mark. And click on the tick mark. Yeah, so now that's done. So there's one problem over here. Our face, actually this portion of the face is a bit too light, and the other portion of the face is a bit too dark. We need to change that. It doesn't suit with those robotics. So we'll just change that. So I'll just grab my brush tool from the toolbar, and I will take the color from the color dialog box, and we'll take it a bit orange, and yes, that suits. And I'll just take the color from there. That's done. Now the soft round brush, put the opacity to 10%, and the settings are just the normal. So and then we gotta scroll down, select the subject, and convert to smart object, and then right click again, and we click on rasterize layer, and just start painting over the subject. Look how cool does that look. That's so good, and that's what the magic the Photoshop does. Now let's go to the other one. We'll click on blue. We'll take the blue color, and we'll take the color right there, and yes, that's the opacity will change it to 2% this time, because 5% or 10% wouldn't look that good. So look at that. That's the Photoshop magic. So that's what we did. We changed a normal image to an Iron Man image. So if you like this video, make sure we changed the image from this to this. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up and ring the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Until then, goodbye, stay at home, and peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.